Yes.
I knew about it fondly.
So Afia was been sentenced for 86 years on attempted murder trial. Do you think it's justified when it was not premeditated as well by jury?
Afia Siddiqui's a case of collateral damage.
Okay.
She was caught up in a wave of hysteria that still exists. It goes back actually 40 years. When Ronald Reagan declared the first war on terror.
The question was that you've been considered as a scientist of cognitive sciences and everything, and Afia's PhD was in how children learn by imitation. So does that have any how children learn by imitation? This was Afia's PhD. So do you see any connection between having this kind of PhD and creating a chemical bomb? Because she was being accused of making chemical bomb, and she had a PhD in learning by imitation by children.
I don't think there's any connection.
There is any connection.
It's a different matter. It's just the general hysteria about the war on terror. She's one of many people caught up in it. And still today, why is Assange subjected to violent, repressive tactics? It's because of the lingering hysteria of the war on terror, which keeps getting reignited.
So you think Afia is a victim of war on terror as well?
I think she is a victim of general hysteria that started, actually it goes far back, but it was restarted at 9/11. We're now seeing the horrible end results of that. Many victims all over the world in acts of revenge, anger, brutal, vicious acts, which had carried out with no concern about the impact on the societies that were being destroyed.